Hi to everyone. Last video we had seen about DDL comments. First, how data is stored in database in the form of tables. In the form of tables only, it is stored. Now, what is meant by table? Table is nothing but combination of rows and columns. That is ID, name, and place. ID, name, and place. Now, I am inserting some data. One, Raj, Bangalore. Next, two, Rajesh and Hyderabad. And Hyderabad. Now, this is a one table. Now, what is the definition part? Definition part is all columns related part. Okay, this entire part is related to DDL commands. That is data definition language part. Last video we had discussed what are the keywords comes under DDL commands. Doctor cat. What is meant by Doctor cat? DR for drop command. DR for drop command. C for create command. Next A for alter command and T for truncate command. Okay, last video we had discussed all those things. Now, if you want to work on data, if you want to work on data means inserting the data into a table or updating the data into a table or deleting a data into a table based on some conditions. If you want to work any data manipulation means we will use DML language. That is data manipulation language. Okay, in this video we will discuss about DML commands. Now observe here what is meant by DML. It contains keywords which is used to manipulate the data. What is meant by manipulate the data? Means changing the data. Next, what are the keywords comes under DML commands? That is update, insert and delete command. These are the three keywords comes under DML command. Okay, DML keywords. Most of the interviews they will ask what are the DDL commands and what are the DML languages commands. Okay, next one for easy remembering purpose, I had given one simple note. Data manipulation is related to UID. It is the shortcut unique identification number. UID, unique identification number. Now tell me what is meant by U. U for update. U for update. I for insert. I for insert. D for delete. This is just a shortcut purpose. I had created this. UID, unique identification number, is related to data manipulation. Okay. U for update, I for insert, D for delete. Now we will see how to insert data into a table. Now, if you want to insert into a table means first you have to use which keyword? You have to use insert keyword. You have to use insert keyword. So first I need to, with the help of insert keyword, we can insert single record or multiple records. First I will insert one single record. Okay. Now first I will create one table, empty table. Last class we had seen how to create a table under using create keyword, create table, create table and a table name. What is the table name? I will give employee table, employee table. I need to give two columns. That is column name is ID and what is the data type? Into data type. Next another column name is name. One more data type varchar. I need to give some size for this name, 30 size, only 30 characters. Okay, like this you have to create one table. Now in that while you are, if you execute this query, now what is the output you will get? You will get one table, ID, name, empty table it will create. Okay, as of now we had not inserted any data into the table, only empty table we had created. Next I need to insert only one single record. I need to insert one single record, insert. Okay, if you want to insert some data into a table means first you have to use insert keyword. Where I need to insert employee table. So insert into employee, insert into employee. Now after that which table we are inserting? Employee table we are inserting. For that reason insert into employee. If you observe this part, below part, this entire thing is nothing but values. Okay, for the reason values of first ID, next column name Ramesh. Okay, name is Ramesh. So how many columns is there here? 1, 2. So how many values you have to pass? 1, 2 values you have to pass. Like this, we can insert single record. If you want to insert multiple records, if you want to insert multiple records, now how to insert? Insert again, same thing. Insert into employee values of, okay, to Suresh. Okay, if you execute this query means, if you execute first query, it will insert 1 Ramesh. 1 Ramesh data is inserted. Next, second query, insert into employee values of, this is one person data and this is one more person data. We are inserting two people data. Next, two, what is the name? Suresh. 2 Suresh. Again one more data. 3 Vignesh. 3 Vignesh. Like this, we can insert data into a table. Okay. Now, if you want insert, I don't have data, I don't know the name of this person. Okay, I don't know the name of the person, but I need to insert only ID. Okay, in that case, how to insert? Okay, first you have to write insert into table. Okay, we need to insert only one data, one column data only we need to insert. For that reason, particularly you have to mention that column name. Okay, name values of 4. Now, once you executed this query, you will get output. What is the values name? 4. Next, in place of this, you will get null value because we are not giving any value for name. For that reason, you will get null value here. Okay, all of you clear? Like this, we can insert one single record or we can insert multiple record at a time. If you want to particularly insert for particular column, in that case also we can do. We can insert into a table. Is that clear? Next, what is the next keyword? Update keyword. What is the next keyword? Update keyword. Now, update. What is update keyword? Update keyword is used to update the data. Initially, we had inserted some data into a table. Okay. Now, by mistake, we had entered wrong data. I need to update that particular name. Okay, based on some conditions. Okay, if you want to particularly insert only one data means one. If you want to update only one record based on condition means we can do. If you want to update entire column also we can do. Okay, both the things we can do. But if you want to update, what is the keyword? Update keyword. Next, table name. What is the table name? Employee table name. Next, you have to use set. Okay, because which value you have to set. Set here column name. Column name. Next, assigning value. Jinna. New value. It is new value. Okay, where I am inserting, where ID is equal to 4. Just now we had seen ID and a name. Okay, we had given some IDs 1, 2, 3, 4 and A, B, C, D. Okay, now what is the name for 4? 4 D. But what we are updating? We are updating with Jinnah. Once you executed this query, where ID is equal to 4, all those places, this ID will be changes. Okay, name will be changes. Okay, next one is delete. Next one is delete. Okay, delete into table. Now, if you want to delete entire table also we can delete. You can delete only single record also we can delete. Now, delete from table. Just if you are writing only up to this part, delete from table means entire data bit will delete. If you are using delete from the employee, where id is equal to 3, where id is equal to 3 means from employee, means from employee table, where id is equal to 3. Where is the id? This is the id. Id is equal to 3 record. I need to delete.